Good morning students. Today we are going to solve the further questions of exercise 1.3. So let us start. Question number 4. Determine the integer whose product with -1 is -32. Here we have to find an integer to which if we multiply, product means multiply. If we multiply with -1 we should get -32. So first we'll multiply -32 with -1. If we multiply -32 with -1, we will get -32 into -1. So 32 ones are 32 and minus minus plus means 32 is the integer to which if we multiply with -1, we will get -32. Or directly we can say that if a number is given as -32, so it's additive inverse. Additive inverse means opposite with respect to sign. So 32 plus 32 is the additive inverse of -32, because when we multiply integer -32 with -1, then we'll get additive inverse of that integer. So 32 is the additive inverse of -32. So here 32 is the integer. If you multiply 32 with -1, we will get as -32. Next one, 47. Now we have to find an integer to which if we multiply with -1, we should get +47. So easily we can understand that if we multiply additive inverse of 47 means -47 with -1, we will get +47. So now multiply 47 with -1. First we will multiply -1 with the given number. So 47 into -1, -47. So -47 is the number or is the integer to which if we multiply with -1, we will get +47. Because when you multiply 47 with -1, then we'll get additive inverse of that integer. So -47 is the additive inverse of +47. Third one, 0. We know that if we multiply 0 with any number, they will get the answer as 0 only. So again we'll multiply 0 with -1. So we will get 0 into -1, which is equal to 0. Because the product of negative integers and 0 gives 0 only. So 0 is the number. If you multiply 0 with -1, we will get answer as 0. If a number is given as positive, negative, then answer will be in positive. And here you can see that 47 is given positive, so answer will be as negative, means additive inverse. Fourth one, -22. This one also you have to solve as per the previous question we have done now. So it's your homework. Now question number 5. Starting from -2 into 6, write various products showing some pattern to show -2 into -6 is equal to 12. From where we have to start? We have to start multiplying from -2 multiply by 6 till -2 multiply -6. It means we have to go from 6 to -6. So let's see. Various products are, first one, it means we have to start from -2 multiply 6. So first step will be -2 multiply 6. So 2 6 are 12 and sign will be of minus. Then we have to go till -6. It means 6 after 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, then -6. It means we have to go in decreasing order because we have to start from +6 to -6. So -2 into 5. -2 5 is a -10. After 5 we have to multiply -2 by +4. So -2 into 4 -8. Then by 3. So -2 into 3 -6. Then after 3 2. -2 into 2 -4. Then by 1 -2 into 1 -2. After 1 we know that 0 will come. So -2 into 0 0. After 0 we have to multiply with negative integers. So -2 into -1. So 2 ones are 2 and minus into minus plus. So answer will be +2. Now -2 into -2, 2 2s are 4 and minus plus. Then after 2 we have to multiply by -3. So -2 into -3, 2 3s are 6 and minus into minus plus. Then like this we have to go till -6. So -2 into -4 +8, -3 into -5 plus 10, and last one minus 2 into minus 6. So 6 2s are 12, and minus into minus plus. So we have started from minus 2 into 6 minus 12 till minus 2 into minus 6 equal to plus 12. So we concluded that the product of one negative integer and one positive integer is a negative integer. Here you can see that the product of one negative integer and one positive integer, answer will be as negative integer. Then the product of two negative integer is a positive integer. If you multiply any two negative integer, minus 2 and minus 5, both are negative integer. If you multiply this, we will get as positive integer. This is the conclusion of the given question. Then next question, question number 6, find the product using suitable properties. Here in this question we have to use properties. You know that we have different properties we have learned, like closure property, associative, commutative, distributive, law. So that property you have to use according to the given question. First we will see the format in which the question is given. First one, 46 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. The given equation is in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition. You can see that it is given in the form of a into bracket b plus c, which is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here you can see that it is given in the form of a into b plus a into c. Only thing is to that we have to see that what are the values of a, b and c. We have to find out. So we can see that here a value is repeating 2 times. It means we have to see a number in the question which is repeating 2 times. So 46 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So here you can see that minus 48 is repeating 2 times. It means it is a value of a. Then b. B means first it is multiplied by with b. We have to compare this a into b plus a into c with the given equation. Then easily we can find the value of a, b and c. So b is 46 and here c is minus 36. Now we don't know that by distributive law of multiplication over addition, a into b plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. As it is given in form of a into b plus a into c, we have to change into a into bracket b plus c. Like this we have to use the suitable properties. If it is given in long form, we have to change into the LHS with its LHS side. So now 46 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. It is given in the form of a into b plus a into c. Now we'll change into a into bracket b plus c. So first we'll write the value of a, which is equal to minus 48 into b is 46. So here put value of b 46 plus and c is minus 36. So in bracket here to write minus 36. Now we have to solve minus 48 into 46 plus into minus 36. Here bracket means first we have to solve this number. So minus 48 as it is, 46 minus 36, 10. Now if you multiply 48 into 10, you'll get minus 480, since plus into minus minus. So this property, the distributive law of multiplication over addition, we have used here in this question number 1. If it is given in the form of a into b plus a into c, then we have to change into a into b plus c. Now we'll see next one. 16 into 39 into minus 25. Here you can see that here only 3 numbers are given. And in the previous question we have seen that if like this numbers are given, we will multiply the 2 numbers by which we should get 0 in the last. So let us see. 16 into, first we can make the pair of this 2 number. 39 into minus 25. If you multiply this 2 number, you will not get 0, because 9 5s are 45. It means you will not get 0, so no need to multiply this. Now we can change its order according to the commutative law. We know that a into b is equal to b into a. So we can replace the values of 39 and 25 with each other. So now we can write minus 25 into 39. Then by associative law, a into b into c is equal to, only you have to replace the brackets. So now we can write 16 into minus 25 c here in bracket 1. So 16 into minus 25, you know that 6 5s are 30. It means if we multiply 16 into minus 25, we'll get 0 in the last. So we have taken this two number first to make our calculation easy and fastly. Then last we multiply by 39. So if we multiply 16 into minus 25, we'll get minus 3000. After this you have to multiply by 39. If you multiply 39 into 3000, we'll get as minus 1,56,000. So this is the answer. If you multiply directly without changing the order, then also you will get the same answer. But here you have to use properties, means associative or commutative properties. That's why we have changed the order of the numbers or integers. Third one, 25 into minus 5 into minus 4. Here it is same, we have to change the order of the numbers. So first we can multiply 5 and 4 also, and if you multiply 25 into 4, we can multiply this two number. So 25 into minus 4, then minus 5. Only the thing is that you have to change the order of the integers. So we know that 25 into 4, 100. So minus 100 into minus 5. So 5 into 100, 500, and minus into minus plus. You can see that within 1 second we have solved this question. It means we have to use the properties to make our calculation easy and fastly. Fourth one, 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into 0. So 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into 0. So first we multiply 25 into 4 because we'll get 0 in the last. So which is equal to 100 into 0. And we know that if you multiply 0 with any number, we'll get the answer as 0 only. So 15 into 100 into 0, or 15 into 0, which is equal to 0. Fourth one, minus 37 into 102. Here you can see that we have to make the question to use properties. So how can you write the given equation in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition, which is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. We know that 102, we can write it as 100 plus 2. So you can see that it is written in the form of a into b plus c. And if it is given in form of a into b plus c, then we have to change into a into b plus a into c. So now we have to put the value of a, b, c in the given law. So what is the value of a? Minus 37 is the value of a, 100 is the value of b, and c value is equal to 2. So put here in a into b plus a into c. So in place of a, minus 37 into bracket 100 plus and a minus 37 into c, which is equal to 2. After this, first we'll multiply. And we know that according to the rule, first we'll multiply, then we'll add according to BODMAS rule. So minus 37 into 100, minus 3700, then minus 37 into 2, 74, and plus into minus, minus. Then we know that minus 3700 minus 74. We know that minus minus plus. So 3700 plus 74 is equal to 3774, but sign will be of minus. Nothing you have to do, you have to only see only that in which type or in which format the question is given. First you have to identify, then you have to use the properties. And if it is given in form of a into b plus c, then you have to change into a into b plus a into c. And if any question is given in the form of a into b plus a into c, then you have to change into a into b plus c. Next one, 725 into minus 55 plus of minus 725 into 65. You can see that a into b plus a into c. It means the given equation is in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition, which is equal to a into b plus c, a into b plus a into c. So first we have to check what is the value of a here. Here you can see 725 and 725. Both numbers are repeating how many times? The 725 is repeating 2 times. It means it is a value of a. But here it is given negative. This side it is positive. So we can do that. We can take the sign of 55 to minus 725. So we can write it as minus 725 into plus 55 plus of minus 725 into 65. So both sides the value of a will become equal, which is equal to minus 725. So here a is equal to minus 725 and b is 55 and C is equal to 65. So we have to write here in format A into B plus C. As it is given in A into B plus A into C, so we'll change into A into bracket B plus C. So A is minus 75 into B is 55 and C is 65. So first we'll solve the bracket number. So minus 75 into 55 plus 65, 120. After this we multiply. So 725 into 120, 87,000. And it, here negative sign is given, it means minus 87,000. Now next one, 18 into 100 minus 2. Now you can see that it is given in the form of A into B plus C. Here plus sign is not given, it means here minus 2 will be there. So the given equation is in the form of distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Here minus sign is plus sign is not given, minus is given, it means we can write here subtraction. It is valid for both. So it is given in the form of A into B minus C, which is equal to A into B minus A into C. There is no difference, only in place of plus you have to replace by minus. So it is given in form of A into B minus C. So we have to change into A into B minus A into C. So A value is 18, B is 100 and C is 2. So A into B means 18 into 100 minus A into C means 18 into 2. So 18 into 100, 1800 minus 18 to the 36. Now we'll subtract. So we'll get it as 1764. Next one, question number 8. Minus 27 into minus 29. Now how to solve this one? We have to make this question according to our properties. So let us see how to write. The given equation is also in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So minus 27 into, we can write minus 29 as minus 30 plus 1. We know that if we minus 1 from 30, we will get 29. But here it is given as minus 29. It means 30. The bigger number is given as negative with respect with minus sign. That's why our answer is in minus. So minus 29 we can write in the form of minus 30 plus 1. Now you can see that it is written in the form of A into B plus C. Now we'll compare the value. A is minus 27, B is minus 30 and C is 1. Now we'll put this value in A into B plus A into C. So A is minus 27 into B minus 30 plus A into C means minus 27 into 1. So first we'll multiply, then after this we will add. So minus 27 into minus 30. 27, 30, 810 and minus into minus plus. Then plus as it is, minus 27 ones are minus 27. After this we'll open this bracket. So 810 plus into minus, minus 27. So 810 minus 27, which is equal to 783. The last question. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Here you can see that here it is given in form of A into B plus A into C. But there is no any value of C is given. So how to find out? The given equation is in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition. So A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. So minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. You know that if you multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same number. So 57, we can write it as 57 into 1 to make our question according to our properties. So you can see that it is given in the form of A into B plus A into C. Here you can see that two signs are given, minus and minus. So minus into minus plus. So that's why we have written it here as positive. 57 into 19 plus 57 into 1. Because we have to make the value of A equal here. So that's why we have multiplied before only. So you can see that now value of A is plus 57. So first here it is given in form of A into B plus A into C. So we'll change into A into bracket B plus C. So A is 57, B is 19 and C is equal to 1. So 57 into 19 plus 1. We have to put in A into B plus C. So 57 into 19 plus 1, 20, which is equal to 1140. Now we'll see the next question in our next class.